Want to redeem Amex membership rewards for gift cards? Follow these quick steps. Step 1. Open the Amex app or website and sign into your account. Step 2. Tap Membership Rewards or choose Redeem Rewards from the menu. Step 3. Select gift cards from the listed redemption options. Step 4. Browse categories or search for the gift card you want. Step 5. Compare point costs and check for occasional bonus offers. Tip: prioritize partner gift cards like Amazon, Delta, or major retailers for best value. Step 6. Choose your gift card amount and confirm the points to redeem. Review the summary carefully for delivery method and estimated arrival. Confirm redemption and you'll receive a digital gift card or code via email. Quick recap: sign in, open membership rewards, pick gift cards, compare value, then confirm. Subscribe for more credit card tips and updates on maximizing membership rewards.